If you're looking for some affordable sun protection in your 1997 through 2006 TJ Wrangler, this RedRock Bikini Top in Black Diamond is a perfect solution for you. This is tailored to the TJ owner who is looking for total overhead protection for the front of their Jeep while their full top is off, keeping the sun and any pop-up showers out of the front of the cab. This is also a secure option with a strap and header design if you're specifically searching for a top that you can adjust, and one that seals to the front to reduce the amount of wind noise for a comfortable experience in your Jeep. Now, I do want to note that this does not fit the Unlimited or LJ models and does require the RedRock header panel specifically for the install, which you can find here right on our site. This bikini top offers a great balance between a standard soft top and a mesh top, offering the best of both worlds with some additional coverage thanks to the vinyl material. Now, while being more protective against UV rays and rain potentially seeping through the top, this still allows the majority of the Jeep to be open for that freer experience. Now, as I said, with the front of the top being secured to the windshield, this also helps reduce noise and flapping of the top, and the straps on the back are adjustable, so when the fabric naturally stretches over time, you can keep this taut and well fitted. This is made of a black diamond vinyl construction, which is the same material as the factory top, so you can expect it to be pretty familiar. And the vinyl is tough, being marine grade and resistant to mildew and UV rays. This is also resistant to tearing and fraying, especially with the heavy duty stitching around the outer edges, and will come with heavy duty Velcro and nylon straps to secure it down for that taut design. This is about $100, which is pretty affordable for a bikini top, and even though you will most likely have to purchase the header assembly with it, it only adds a few more bucks onto the total price while still remaining a more cost-effective option compared to the rest of the category. Now again, this offers a solid middle ground between a more see-through mesh top and a restrictive soft top, and it secures to the front for a solid fit compared to other bikini tops that may not carry that same level of security. It also just covers the front seats if you don't need or want a total safari style setup and just want your front protection when it comes to your TJ. Install is a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and really should only take about a half hour or so to get this installed. And after you do it the first time, it's going to get much easier the second, third, and fourth time, and so on. So at this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers here. They're going to show you a step-by-step breakdown on how you can secure this to your TJ at home. So that wraps it up for me. Let's get into the install.
For this install, you will need an impact or a ratchet, a 13mm socket, and a T30 Torx bit. All right, today we're going to be installing a bikini top on our Wrangler, so let's get started. All right, so first thing we're going to install our header. So we're going to line this up on our windshield section. Now we want our brackets to line up with our mounts. We're going to install our mounts into our factory hook positions. We'll get our 13mm bolts through those mounts. Run these in so they hold. And we'll get the other one in and we'll come back and tighten these down. Then we're going to grab our 13mm socket on our impact. We're going to push forward a little bit on our header and tighten this down. All right, so now we're going to lay our bikini top itself along our roof area. We're going to line our side with our plastic tabs up with our header because that's going to go in here. And then we have straps for the rear section. Now you do want to hold one side up. We're going to be on the passenger side. We're just going to get our rear and our front straps loosely in place to kind of hold it in position so we can get the rest of our straps in place. Now we're going to get our rear side strap in. Get this through our buckle. You want to go up and back through. I'll bring this up. Again, we're just loosely holding this in place. Now, if you do have a door surround, this does have plastic slats to put into that door surround, but we don't, so we're gonna just use the Velcro. And we're just getting it to hold in place for now. All right, so we're gonna need to get our rear straps in, but first we're gonna need to loosen up our sound bar so we can get all the way around our roll bar. So we've got our T30 Torx bit. We're gonna loosen up the hardware for our sound bar. We'll loosen up the two on the other side as well. It may even be necessary to remove two of these bolts. Move our sound bar back. We're going to get our two outer straps in first. Bring those around the roll bar. We'll get our other outside strap in as well. And we're also going to get our center strap that's going to go up to our footman clamp through as well. Drop that through. Make sure this is straight. Now at this point we can reattach and fully tighten down our sound bar. So we'll grab our T30 bit and tighten these back down. And we'll tighten our other two down as well. Now we're going to hook our front slat into our header. We're going to fold this over, work it in. We go down. Now from new, these are folded, so it might take you a little bit of effort to get them to seat properly. Then we'll do the other side as well. All right, so now we're gonna get our center strap in, and that's gonna go into our footman hook. We'll get our strap through. Get it through our buckle. Tighten this up. All right, so now we can readjust our roll bar Velcro. Make sure that's cinched down. And we can get our front straps around our roll bar as well. Bring that through. And once you got this side situated, you can do the same thing for the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up our review and install of our RedRock Bikini top and black diamond finish for your 97 to 06 Jeep Wrangler TJ, excluding the Unlimited. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.